How to activate your EastWest credit card online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can activate your EastWest credit card online. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up your web browser. On your web browser, simply search for Activate EastWest Credit Card Online, and you'll find this website by EastWest Bank called Enrollment. You can simply head over to this website. From this website, you will be able to simply activate your card. Here you can see you can read the terms and conditions as well. And yeah, as they say, you have the right to register, but they also have the right to decline your registration. So make sure that all the details you provide is correct. Now agree with the terms and condition and then tap on continue. Also tap on yes here. Then you'll have to go through these many processes. First is enter your card number. After you enter your card number, enter your date of birth as well. Just tap on this, and from here you can choose your date of birth. After you choose your date of birth, you'll need to provide details such as your information about you, where you live, and stuff like that. Then you'll get an OTP code which you can enter, and then you'll have to set a green pin which you will later need to change. So set your green pin. After that, you're basically completed and you have registered for your card. And that's basically how you activate your EastWest credit card, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.